And can medications also cause bleeding in the intestines, doctor?
Yeah, absolutely. I feel like here we've talked a lot about, when I've been on, about the dangers of anti-inflammatory medications like Advil, Motrin, Aleve, but they cause that lining of the stomach and other places to become so thin and fragile that you can get ulcers, gastritis, common things that a lot of people end up developing.
That's why it's always important, that colonoscopy and cancer screening, right? What is the age appropriate for that, and why is it so important to get? A lot of people put it off.
Yeah, so at the bare minimum, everyone needs a colonoscopy at 50. If there's any genetic history, we usually say about 10 years before the first person in the family was diagnosed. It's absolutely important. I know a lot of people are really scared. You might be scared to get your first colonoscopy. Everyone has heard horror stories of the medication you have to take before and how painful it might be, but the truth is that most people, when they end up having the colonoscopy, they feel okay after it and they say, I didn't feel anything. I had maybe 5 years, I had to convince my parents to do it, but now they've finally done it. And now it's like nice, they can say for the next 10 years, wow, I really don't have to worry about this. I know I don't have colon cancer. So it's really a nice benefit once you finally get it done.
And it's important because if you detect something early, it's just so important to get to it early, because you can really save your life.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
That's really important.
Exactly. We know if we find colon cancer or even maybe something like a polyp that is going to lead into cancer, we can remove it. That's what's amazing. These gastroenterologists, they really do a great job. They go in there, they might find something, and it might look okay, but then they biopsy it and take it out, and they say, wow, you had something that was going to lead to cancer. And what a great feeling to know that you now have a clean bill of health.